Alright guys, about to put these on. These are the turn signals. Almost dropped it. And these are the backup lights, I think. So this is like the before. So the turn signals are this same color as the brake lights. So these should make these amber, but stay red. So it's like a multicolor light, I think. It's pretty cool. I'll show you guys the updated lights after I'm done. Alright guys, there's gonna be 2 bolts and you need also 10 millimeter. And just make sure you don't drop these bolts, guys. Alright guys, that's before and after. Orange, or amber, sorry, then red. Pretty big difference. So definitely recommend these Auxito LED lights. Where's the model number? Okay, right there. This is for 2018 to 2023 to Ford Expeditions. And these lights are for the reverse lights. So definitely check these out too. Alright guys, so this was the old LED light that I got from Amazon. And this is the new Auxito light. Huge difference. Could definitely recommend. Really good brand.